10 books you must read if you want to be a successful entrepreneur. We all spent decades in the school system where we were only taught how to be employees. If at any point in your life you want to be an entrepreneur, there's only one way to turn, and that's the books written by experienced entrepreneurs who are willing to share what they know with you. That's why in this video, we'll be sharing with you 10 important books you should read if you want to become a successful entrepreneur. If you're new here, consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Number 1. Purple Cow by Seth Godin. In my humble opinion, I think nobody should be allowed to start a business until they read The Purple Cows. Seth Godin in this book addresses the foundational things everyone starting a business must understand. There's much emphasis on being different and creating something worth talking about, which is probably the most important thing for anyone who is trying to build a significant business. If you care about starting a successful business, I advise you to take time to read The Purple Cows. Number 2. Failing Forward by John C. Maxwell. I've seen many employees who have not experienced any major failure in their life, but I'm yet to see any entrepreneur who doesn't experience failures every now and then. Failure is so common in life of an entrepreneur, so much that at a time we get used to it. This book is to help you to get used to it. In Failing Forward, John C. Maxwell analyzed the lives of several people all through the history and show you how significant failure is to their success. At the end of it all, what this book will help you with is to have a better perspective of what failure is and what the road that leads to success is. If you want to overcome your fear of failure, read Failing Forward. Number 3. Start with Why by Simon Sinek. Apple is the most valuable company in the world, valued at over $1 trillion. How did Apple get that far? Well, Steve Jobs said that they are not manufacturing phones or computers. Instead, they are changing the world. Apple doesn't concentrate on the gadgets they are making. Instead, the company concentrates on the mission. This is starting with why. You shouldn't only know how to do what you want to do, you should know why you are doing what you're doing. You must start with why. Why are you doing what you're doing? For what purpose? What is the mission? The clearer you are about your why, the more successful you can be. Number 4. E-Myth Revisited by Michael Gerber. The true entrepreneurs are those who could break away from their business and continue making money. Most people who start businesses simply create jobs for themselves. For you to be a successful entrepreneur, you must know how to build a business system that can make your business run even when you are not there. E-Myth Revisited will help you to achieve that. If you don't want to buy this book, well, you can come and read it in my library. Number 5. Obstacles is the Way by Ryan Holiday. If you love an easy life, don't become an entrepreneur. The road is rough and tough, far more than what most people can imagine. Hurdles and obstacles are not what happen, they are the way to succeed. This book is about how to handle and manage obstacles, and if you truly want to be an entrepreneur, you must know how to do this. Number 6. 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel. Peter Thiel is one of the founders of PayPal. He's an entrepreneur and angel investor. 0 to 1 is about innovation. It's about creating something worthwhile. It's about avoiding Me Too products. If you care about creating something innovative, here is one of those books you must read. Number 7. Idea Virus by Seth Godin. Seth Godin is one of the most respected marketing teachers, and that's the reason why I'm recommending another book of his in this video. Idea Virus is about how to make your idea spread. especially in these days of the internet and social media. Most of us have great ideas, but we don't know how to get our ideas to spread. Idea Virus was written to open your mind on how to spread your ideas. Number 8. Start Something That Matters by John Salge Blake. John Blake started the fastest growing footwear company. This book is about how he built a multi-billion company in less than 1 decade and introduced the new business model of success. The best person to teach you how to build a $1 billion company is that person who has done it. That's why you may want to read this book. Number 9. Tools of Titans by Tim Ferriss. Tim Ferriss has interviewed hundreds of successful people in different walks of life on his podcast. Tim has distilled these conversations into themes, and it is remarkable how successful people have common themes which ripple across their lives. Tim has also tested these principles before listing them, so you know whether it is a diet or health routine or peak performance practice. It is repeatable in its success. To be an entrepreneur with all-round success, you may need to check this book out. Number 10. You Can Negotiate Anything by Herb Cohen. I read this book over a decade ago, and I can tell you this is probably one of the top 10 most important books I have ever read. Herb Cohen is an international negotiator who has negotiated several deals. This book was written to share the secrets of great negotiation with you. Why is this book important? Well, as an entrepreneur, you spend a significant part of your life negotiating. Some of these negotiations will be minor, and some may cost you hundreds of thousands and even millions of dollars. Knowing how to play such a game as negotiation is very important for your survival in the business world. You enjoyed this video, didn't you? Would like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next. But before then, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share it with your friends on social media. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we handpicked for you to enjoy next. We love you.